In this tutorial, I will show you how to use JavaFX stacked area chart. Let's create a new JavaFX project. I'm using JDK 17.0.1. I don't need any dependencies. Okay, I prefer non-modular programming, so let's remove module info Java, refactor, save delete. Okay. Now let me change the name of Java classes, make it simpler, application, refactor rename, change to controller, then Fxml I will change to view.fxml, refactor to refactor. Okay, make sure we can have JavaFX SDK library. We are not using Maven build, so let's remove it all. Now we can add Java. In my case, it's under program files, Java, JavaFX SDK 17.0.1 and library. Okay, that's the path to JavaFX library. Apply, okay. So initial setting is done. Let's change to something more meaningful title. Let's say JavaFX StackedAreaChart. Okay, now we are going to open Fxml in SceneBuilder. Let me show you I'm using SceneBuilder version 17.0.0. Let's go to controller, copy, then remove VBox. Prefer to use anchor pane. Let's go back to controller, paste it. So in this hierarchy, we are going to go to chart, look for stacked area chart in the middle. It comes with number axis and then for X and Y. So for title, I will just say income. For Fx ID, stacked area chart. So this looks like an X-axis. Let's put the label. Change to be months. This is an income with thousands. Fx ID, I will say Y-axis. For now, this is all. Okay, let me go back. Instead of saying income, let me change to revenue. Save it. Let's go to Fxml so that we can add data field. one more, then change to private. Then we can add Fxml annotations. You can click, or you can type it manually, up to you. Now you can see there are 3 Fxml annotations. We don't use this one anymore, so let's remove. Let's implement Initializable Interface. It means we need to implement initialize abstract methods. So we can use XY chart with integer and double. Integer for months and double for income. Okay, let's say series 1, new XY chart. Eventually for XY chart. Let me change to 2020. Put the name for this series 2020. This time we can add data, get data, add new XY chart data. Then the first one will be January. 30.0 actually means 30,000. So let's say 30.000. Let me change to comma for currency. Then say US dollar. So this is 2020. So let me copy, maybe up to here. Then this is going to be February, March, April. Let me repeat 11 times until December. So let me change, okay. May, June, July, September, November, December. Again, these numbers you can change to whichever you want. Let me just increase and decrease. Okay, let's make same thing for 2021. So this is 7th of November 2021. So let me copy 11 months. So let's change to series 21. Let me do that up to October. Then let's increase the number. I'll just put maybe make it as 140, 60. Okay. So we have a series 2020 and 2021. Stack area chart, get data, then we can add whole series. 2020 and 2021. Okay, that's pretty much all. Let's build. Okay, build successfully. Run edit configuration. Add new configuration application. You can name your application to be app. Then here, main class, you can point to application Java. Okay, then we may need to use VM options. Model path to your JavaFX SDK library, where you have all these JavaFX Java files. Okay, just copy, paste it inside the quotation. Add modules. You need at least 3 of them. Controls, Fxml, then graphics. Apply, OK. After you rebuild, you can run it. So as you can see, we have 2020 and then 21 for 10 months, and then January to December. As you can see, the series start with the 0 and work with 13. Okay, so let's go back to SceneBuilder. Here we can change this series. Let's say lower bounds start from number 1, stands for January, and then upper bound for February we can change to 12. So here is the tick unit to be number 1, so that January, February, March change from 111. Auto range, you need to turn it up, so you can start with low bound number 1 and then upper bound number 12. Okay, save it. Let's rebuild. Run it. So as you can see now, number 1 and then until December. Okay, that's all. Thank you.